Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday, most of the market were closed. Today morning, Asian market are indicating low decline, whereas the commodities are seeing some positive trend. Oil is up by around $0.5. Even iron ore and steel are also up by around 1.5%. If you see the dollar index, which we indicated that yesterday moved up very sharply by almost around 50 basis points, it has cooled off a bit in today's morning trade. But the impact of decline is now visible. Impact of dollar appreciation is now, since yesterday market was closed, is now visible in Asian market. So quite possible we had moved up yesterday in absence of FI, but uh, today we may see some range bound trade or may see some decline. In fact, apart from that, the various economic data which has come are indicating not yet revival in the economy, wherein GDP growth, GST collections grew by just 7% year on year. And also, if we see the two-wheeler auto sales also are not so very encouraging, except a few of the company like Mahindra and Maruti. There is no general improvement, but specific to companies are seeing some improvement. Uh, Even if we see the data of the Coal India production that has grown very marginally, and even NMDC, the production has declined. So these are all indicating that though the revival is not yet visible up till now. So need to be careful. Request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, last 7 to 8 trading session, we see that market trading with the range and narrow range that upside 23 900 and 850 is a major resistance for index, and downside 23 500 the major support zone for Nifty. Last two trading sessions, we saw that Nifty bounce back this important support range and again trade near the upside resistance zone, that is 23 850 and 900. Today we expect negative open but witness range bound during the day because Nifty trading this range. If Nifty break upper range, that is 23 900, then we expect further up move towards 24 300 and 400 on upside. Below 23 500, we expect this track downside towards 23 200 and 23,000 at downside, but today we expect flattish and slightly negative open. We closely watch if Nifty break first immediate resistance 23 850 and above, then we expect further rally. Otherwise we still see the sideways momentum during the day. Bank Nifty yesterday managed to sustain the 200 TMA and close above that important long-term moving average. And upside first immediate resistance place for Bank Nifty around 51 700 and 600. And downside first immediate major support place around 51 200 51,000 is a major support for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty managed to sustain the long-term moving average, but till the Nifty trading below that important range. So we expect both index today range bound and remain a sideways during the day. Stock Pacific, we expect some positive momentum in Loris Lab. Loris Lab continued the uptrend, and yesterday we saw that Loris Lab break the upper channel, and we expect this momentum to be continued towards 638, 640 and upside. Downside 600 is a major support. United Spirit also looks positive in daily, weekly, though both format. We expect the positive momentum till continue towards 1670 above, 1740, 1800 in an upside. Downside 1630 is the first major support. Jubilant Food also given a big breakout in yesterday's session, and we expect this breakout will give the upside good moment towards 800, 810 in upside. Downside 720 is a major support. Negative side, Hindalco looks weak. Last few trading session, we saw that Hindalco break the 620 important support zone, and right now trading 590 near the 590. We expect this pressure to be continued towards 570, 560 at downside. HDFC MC also looks weak at current level, and Pharma looks positive at Cipla. Cipla also looks positive side. Sun Pharma also looks positive side. Both trading above the 200 DMA. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Thank you, Vikas. On the derivative front, see, the open interest has risen a little. However, the PCR is at comfortable levels and so is the VIX. There's not much change in the data from the past few days. Only real change here is we have seen some liquidation in the calls and some good built up in the puts. That does tell us some more buying can come in. Good support area for Nifty is around 23,700, 23,800 odd levels, and for the future levels, and likely some bounce can come in from here up to 24,000 levels, which is a resistance zone. Uh, we have seen good built up in puts from 23,800 and up to that 23,000 put strikes. So that is a good positive sign. So expect some more buying to come in the next few trading sessions. Uh, from the stock specific front, we are seeing, no only pharma sector, doing very well. Apart from that, no real sector is on the move on the upside or showing strength. So, concentrate on the pharma sector. It is now around 52-week high, but good amount of open interest built up on the long side has been seen. So Laurus, Divi's, Oro Pharma, can probably do well. Also, the likes of Cipla and Sun Pharma, Rolos were also good. So, yeah, all in all, one can continue to be long on pharma at this point of time. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Auto December month sales numbers came yesterday. So in passenger vehicle segment, Maruti Suzuki showed remarkable 30% year-on-year growth despite a slight 2% dip month-on-month. Tata Motors PV division showed a modest 1.4% year-on-year growth. Both performed above expectations. Hyundai Motors saw a marginal decline of 2% year-on-year and 10% month-on-month, performed marginally below expectations. In commercial vehicle segment, Tata Motors CV numbers in line with expectations, with a small 0.9% year-on-year decline, but significant 23% growth month-on-month. Eicher Motors VECV showed 4% year-on-year growth and a remarkable 49% month-on-month growth, outperforming expectations. In two-wheelers and three-wheelers category, Bajaj Auto's performance was flat year-on-year with 1% decline, but month-on-month sales were down by 23%, performed below expectations. Atul Auto showed a modest 3% year-on-year growth, but a 9% month-on-month decline. In tractors and farm equipment segment, Mahindra Tractors uh, Mahindra Tractors performed well with a solid 20% year-on-year growth, but declined by 31% month-on-month. Month-on-month performed above expectations. VST Dealers Tractors had an excellent month with a 39% year-on-year growth and a robust 50% month-on-month improvement. And escort sales were below expectation. So the overall passenger vehicle and tractor segment delivered some strong performance. Commercial vehicle showed mixed performance. However, two-wheeler and three-wheeler segment experienced a flat performance. Thank you.
Uh, CSB has come up with the number. Advances grew by 26%, which is higher than the last two, three quarters. As such, will act as positive for CSB Bank. Whereas NMDC has reported decline in sales volume year on year in December month, which can act a bit negative for NMDC. And Coal India has also reported very nominal growth of around 2.4% in the December month. which is also neutral for Coal India Limited. That's all from us. Now I'll request the commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might see some pullback in gold and silver. One can buy gold around 76, 76 900, 76 850 with a stop loss of 76 um, 700. On upside, we are expecting 77 250, 77 350 on upside. So buying in gold is recommended. Silver also one can initiate a buy around 88, uh, 88 200 with a stop loss of 87 400. On upside, we are eyeing for 98 700, 90,000. So buy on dips is a call in silver. In metals also, one can initiate a buying copper around 795, 794 with a stop loss of 790. On upside, it is expected to test 8 802, 805, where one should book profits. In zinc also, we are expecting prices to test to 83, 84. So buying is recommended around 280 with a stop loss of 278. Whereas in crude oil, we are witnessing positive momentum to continue. One can initiate a buy around 6150 with a stop loss of 6070. On upside, we are expecting 70 to 50, 70, sorry, 60, 60 to 50, 6300 on upside. Whereas in natural gas, one can witness a pullback till uh, 325, 330 on upside. So buying strictly with a stop loss of 300 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.